Hello! We're out for a little wander in Byer Wood. I'm right next to the busy A7. And this is the old route of the Waverley line, the old Waverley from Carlisle up to Edinburgh. Long since gone. But we're going to have a little fungi foray today. Come across some mushrooms, fungi, whatever. We'll see. Still got old remnants of the old railway line. There's an old chimney here from, must have been a cabin next to the railway line. The old fence is still here. The old fireplace, look, still in place. Long since used, mind, eh? Only a few yards in, come across our first fungi find. Sulphur tuft, I believe. Right, so we have two bridges here. The far one is the main A7 road bridge. And this one above us is the old railway bridge. And we have another bridge down there. Not sure what that was for, some kind of track that ran alongside the railway. It could have been possibly an old railway bridge, you don't know. But that one's seen better days. But this one's still fairly impressive structure, and the road one obviously still well maintained. And I believe this is Glinger water. So I don't know if you can see just through the trees. Got the River Esk just before it heads down towards Longtown, or if you're local, Langtoon. Right, so I can't remember the name of the little tower thing. It's part of the Netherby Estates. I believe you can rent it out. I'll put the name down. I'll put it underneath. I remember, I want to get on. Yeah, decent view of the Esk now. So this is the border Esk. On the Scotch side. And eventually comes out sort of moss band area and into the Saltway in a way. But yeah, it's quite good fishing. Not that I'm a fisherman, but I believe, you know, you pay quite a lot to fish on these waters. But yeah, it's a lovely little folly. Right, let's carry on. Some mighty big trees in this wood. That one's obviously had a bit of a branch removal. I would say it's probably blown down last winter. Someone's been down and lopped up whatever they've had. But yeah, some definite monster trees. Really old. I don't know if this camera picks it up, but there's an old farm house over there, or farm building, whatever it was. But it's been a couple of years since I've been down here, but the roof's collapsed in on itself. You know, at one stage it wasn't too far off being saved, but it's too far gone now. Whether someone's torched it, and that's why the roof's sort of fell in. But yeah, it's a shame. Right, I've found my way over to the old building. Let's see what caused the damage. Yeah, I mean, this room's pretty well shot at now. Oh. Yeah, now there hasn't been a fire. Basically it's just rotted through over the years and completely given way, dilapidated. Them old beams across there though, they're still some thickness, them, but 12 by 8 or something. Monsters. But yeah, that's where the old bog's been. A bit of a shame, but it's shot. The ground floor view up, got a tree growing out of it and various other things. Yeah. Yeah, I've just been stung to bits. There's monster nettles around here. Try and beat my way through them. Ah, that's better. So we've walked along the riverbank and now we're just heading along back towards the car. We're going to go over the top now. Now, we haven't seen that early start. We've got quite a bit of fungi and all of a sudden it's just dropped off. But I'm hopeful. I've seen stuff in the past on these embankments further up, so fingers crossed we'll hopefully see something. Yeah, some strange carvings. Alright, we found some chicken of the woods, I believe. Looks a bit out of date. And there's some more fungi just sort of sprouting out of this old branch that's lying down here. It's like porcelain. Can't remember that name of that one off by hand, but I have photographed that in the past, so I'll have a record of it. Plenty of obstacles. So we're back on the old railway line. So if you follow this path a bit further on, brings you to Kirkandrews-on-Esk old station. Still there, there's an old crossing there. Now it's just somebody's house. The platform's still there and everything. And obviously this is the route back to Carlisle, next to the busy A7, which is a busy, fast road. As Ganfer a Ratch will agree, a busy road. It's an old bunker of some kind, obviously part of the railway set up along here. You never know, there must have been something nearby here to require a bunker. Well, that's us done, guys. Found a few species, fungi, but not an awful lot. Maybe still a little too early yet, but we'll be back. Plenty of time. But, yeah, thanks for coming along, and thanks for watching. Out for now. He's a busy A7. Not so busy at the moment.